Okay, good morning, everybody. Let's quickly get started. Sorry for starting up a little bit late this morning. We're not going to spend much time. Yesterday we had FOMC and market reacted as it should, right? The United States sees no reason to increase their interest rate, so this weakened the dollar the more. That means the trade war, the tariff war going on between US and some other countries. So this has been weakening the dollar for a very, very long time. You can see that dollar has been on a downtrend since few weeks now, and which is something that most of us really, really you know, don't like, right? Okay, so we've been having a couple of uptrends yesterday. Even yesterday, the bullishness continues for anti-dollar pair like pound dollar, euro dollar, um, NZD dollar, and all that. So we've been having some bullish sentiment of price since then, right? Okay, so today, 20th of March, we are having a high impact news, a whole lot of high impact news on pounds. It's coming up, pounds on is coming up by 1 p.m. And by 9:30, we have CHF. Also by 8 a.m., we are having claimant count change for pound. So we are going to look at some pound dollar, some pairs like GBP CAD, GBP AUD, so that we can have a better understanding of where the market will go. So today is a very, very volatile day. By 1:30, we are having unemployment claims. By 5:50 p.m., the governor of Canadian dollar will speak. We've had interest rates and employment change for Australian dollars today. So these are some of the high impact news that are very, very available, that are in the market. And this news has tendency of, causing much more volatility. Like this Australian dollar now that is written in red, you know that Australian dollar will be weak, right? And which will cause us to sell more of Australian dollar, which means that the employment change tilted to the negative side, right? So Australian dollar is very, very weak. Then we have pounds. If the news coming out for pounds is going to be strong, it's going to be written in green. But if it is not, then we have it written in red, right? So by 8 a.m. in the next few couple of minutes, we are going to experience a high volatility for news. Okay, so let's go to our chart to have one or two conversations and probably give us some entries. Okay, so looking at our chart this morning, okay, so let's go to USDX, right? So looking at USDX, we've seen a whole lot of highs that needed to be taken out here. And these highs, we can see that market could not break the low despite the fact that we've had a whole lot of, downtrend and all that. So this support still holds. So definitely we could literally see or expect more push to the upside. The presence of this move from here shows lack of market movement around here. It shows lack of momentum of buyers, and we are having some support zone that are strong here. I think, and I literally think this is one of the things that moves the market, right? They are one of the support zone that we can count as a very, very strong support level. So we did not have market take down this low. we only have market reacting, right? So what I expect and what I would love to see from this angle here is that I would like to see buyers taking out a resistance here or probably any of these highs. So if the market takes out these highs or on 4 hours time frame, then I will be convinced that we are having presence of buyers in this market. I'll be much more convinced that we have a presence of buyers in this very market because this move shows that there are a lot of change of characters and market return back to this RTO. So I'll be very, very bullish on dollar indices. Like I'll be very, very bullish on dollar indices. We even have a retest here. So looking at the market, we could look towards pushing up, dollar pushing up or pushing as high as 103.228 region, right? So So we have price pushing up. So dollar could end up becoming very, very bullish. And we can see this other block here, this zone. This zone is a very, very strong level. This level, you can see this is the resistance now becoming a what? A support. And we have market taking out series of highs. So I'm bullish for a while for dollar indices this morning. I'm quite bullish. So let's see what the market will do. First, let's look at GBP card, right? Now, GBP card showed some level of bullishness and continuations yesterday, even though we'll be expecting, I personally have been expecting sellers to come into the market. But if you look at daily structure, the GBP card is currently on a daily time frame. The GBP card is currently on a strong resistance zone in daily time frame. You can see that this level is a very, very strong level for GBP card. This level, right? Only if the market breaks that zone, then we can think of more push to the upside. Yes, like I said, we only have market taking out this high because there is a resistance here at this top, and this resistance level is what we are expecting. So it's either GBP card falls as a retracement at 1.85110. That will be the strong zone I'll be looking at this level on 1 hour time frame. I'll be looking at this zone. Yeah, exactly. I'll be looking at this level here. All right. Looking at this level. So I would love to see price first break this low. If price could break out this low, then we could have a proper retest or retracement here. We have if price could, break out this support with the proper retest, then we see it moving down to this zone. So this zone is a very strong zone that I see because one, it took out this low and take out this high. So we need price to drop down to 1.85755 region. So I need it to break below 1.86175 region. Then we have a retest below it. Then we can have more confidence to sell to 1.85615 region. So we see to that and we hope it works and it happens that way. So the reason why we are having this sort of retracement is because we are looking forward to a retracement on lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame. We are at a 15-minute support level. So we need it to break, retest, then we look forward to much more sales for GBP card. Okay, so let's go to some pairs that we have this morning. So I'm going to look at some currency pairs this morning. I'm going to look at Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro USD. Because we are having a GBP pair, so GBP USD, I will look at GBP card. So yeah, we are having a news by 8 o'clock. So let's see what GBP will do. When news comes out negative, then we sell more for GBP/USD. And I'll look at USD card or USCHF. Oh, I've missed my JPY first. So I look at USD JPY. I look at gold, also USD JPY. Okay. Okay, so let's start with USD JPY. Okay, so for USD JPY, yeah, let's look at daily time frame. I'll still look forward to much sales for USJPY. Hopefully, we get to this zone. So for USJPY, I'm still quite bearish. Why? Because we have market take out this resistance level here, right? So this resistance level was taken out twice. So this gives us more rooms to sell USDJPY. So all I just need to wait for is if price could retest any of this fair value gap, either at the end of this, then I'll look forward to sell. So USJPY is still bearish, and we hope for a proper retracement before we enter into this market. And if we are to look into the market, we wait for. I would love to see price reject any of this gap, probably 1.4. I mean 148.575 region or 148.755 region. So from here, right, from here down, I'd love to see sellers coming into the market. In fact, this zone poised to be a very, very strong zone as well for USD JPY. So let's see if the market will reject 148.395 zone. If it does, then we'll sell. If it doesn't, then we wait for a proper breakout of that level. Okay, so a lot of us have been saying Euro USD. Are we trapped in Euro USD? The truth is, the dollar has been oversold. Yeah, the dollar has been oversold, and I'm not seeing, I'm not seeing the bullish vibes like before. I'm not seeing the bullish vibe like before because if you look at this move needs a proper retracement. So if the retracement does not occur here, maybe we see it here, right? But the dollar needs a total, a very long time retracement, hopefully to 1.0670 or something. So when we have that rejection yesterday, we had this rejection, market reject this, but could not create this high. So I'll be very bearish on Euro USD. Probably we could take a short sell. Yes. Let's sell Euro USD now. SL 1.0960. TP 1.08240. TP2 1.08200. 1.860. So that's a signal this morning. Sell Euro USD now. Okay, so Euro USD, we've gotten a signal for Euro USD. Let me put it on funded client group. Okay, so let's go to USCHF, GBP USD because of the news that is coming up in the next few minutes. GBP USD. I'm telling you. GBP USD also the same. GBP USD also the same thing. Like I said, I've been expecting I've been expecting sellers to come into the market here, right? And we've seen some level of exhaustion in this very market because this is a strong resistance. I mean, guys, I'm not going to look towards buying GBP USD because even with this move, right? This move is not a strong move. We need a sharp sell and all that. So also we can take a GBP USD sell, put our stop loss here. Let me see how many pips, right? I stay 2 pips to make first TP, let's 7 and second TP. Okay, same signal for GBP USD. Sell now. SL here. Then we go TP1, TP1, then TP2. Okay, I've dropped Euro USD. Sell GBP USD. Now, SL 1.30238. TP1 1.29512. TP2 1.29065. So that's it. Let's look at other pairs. Let's look at gold this morning. Okay. Well, gold is still very, very much bullish. Gold is very, very much bullish. So everything we are doing on gold, you should look towards buying it, right? Gold was unable to break this support zone, and we have a high here. I would have loved this resistance to be broken on 1 hour. I mean, I love this support zone to be broken on 1 hour, but we are having this buy. So I will wait for, or rather wait for market reactions like at this zone. If it's unable to break this zone, then we have a buy because we are already late for this buy here, but we have market taking out this high, unable to take out this low. So we do not have a perfect change of structure here, except we have a break. I don't mean market take out this low here. Being market takes out this low here, we could have looked towards a good sell for gold, but since the low is not taken, we can't sell gold at the moment. So we rather wait to see what will happen because there is also a high that needed to be broken as well. Okay, so that is that for this morning analysis. I gave a signal on Euro USD, so let's see. You're kind of having a rejection, but let's see. It's a bearish signal, a sell signal for Euro USD, and let's see how it works. Also, I'm bullish on USD CHF. Okay, I'm bullish on USD CHF. I'm bullish on USD CHF, right? So let's see what will also happen at this very moment. Thank you very much, everybody. Today is our advanced class. NZD Okay, Mr. Agbo. So today is our advanced class. You can also come in Abuja here. We are treating Fibonacci. We did Fibonacci retracement last week, so we are still going to continue with how to plot Fibonacci and also how to be profitable with Fibonacci. If you are in Lagos, we are having our seminar on Saturday. Um, please be there. It's a Watercrest Hotel, and it's going to start by 11 a.m. You know how we do our seminar. It's always intact. We have prizes, dollars, gift for some couple of people to attend. So these are one of the things that we need to to understand, and I would love to see you there on Saturday. So if you're going to be around, can you drop a fire emoji? If you're in Lagos and you're going to be for our seminar, can you drop a fire emoji? Okay, so for NZUSD, I'll be on a short time sell. In fact, we have market takeout this low rejected and it's selling. So NZUSD has given us a clear direction. I'll be on a very short time sell for NZD-USD. If you are on a buys, we are very wrong because this has already shown us a very strong reversal pattern. We have market takeout this high, right? Take out this low, retest, this is the liquidity, came back to take it, and now it's falling. So NZUSD is a very, very long time sales, right? NZUSD is a long time sell. So let's take note of that. Okay, so thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful trading day and good morning. Please, if you know you're not on our funded client group, kindly make sure you fund your account and come and join us so that we can give you a much more profitable signal and all that. Have a wonderful trading day. Good morning.